Alright, so I did the mathematics part for our Civil War unit. With that, we have our standards. National standard, obviously, our state standard, I was able to apply geometry, and then our reading standard, I applied multiple sources. So with that, we have our interdisciplinary elements, northern versus southern. It was really easy to look at the geographical differences as well as the political differences. And with that, I was able to also look at the article used from our science and how disease traveled over Arkansas, and then looking at the 12 years of slavery as well. So with that, we had the objectives and the essential questions, which aligned correspondingly to the coordinates and the distance formula, as well as how to analyze and sketch the events and the purpose of mathematics and the content area. But the core of everything is the activities and the strategies. So when we first get into class, they're given a sticky note and they have to relate how something of the Civil War has meaning on a map. And then they also have to write the distance formula, which is previous knowledge. Then we have a smartboard activity to go over different lessons that has to do with the distance formula, where they'll also be writing in their notes. And then we have the groups of 3 to 4 where they look at those different maps without the key, and then they create a map individually based on whatever they want to use. And then they'll get into pairs and they'll look over each other's work and decide, how they use the distance formula and what data they used. And then for an exit slip, they are to recap of all the distance formula that was used, as well as thinking about how other content areas they could apply the map for. So that stems into their homework, where they will either analyze the article or the YouTube video or using the book to develop a new map and essentially do the same thing that they did in class. So that is my part of the project, and sorry I couldn't be there.